Surabaya is a city with a very high population density. The higher the population density, of course, the more land needed to live. This greatly affects the open space and existing drainage. This is the further exacerbated by the topography of Surabaya, which is at an altitude of 3 until 8 meters above sea level. Don't rule out if Surabaya is often flooded from rainfall or overflowing seawater.
Hello guys, we are from Civil Engineering Untak Surabaya. We want to survey about urban drainage system. This is our group. My name is Riko Ardiderman Mintia and
My name is Rizky Nuruljana.
And I, Ahmad Ari Mubarak.
and let's go to survey.
Once upon a time, urban drainage was only made with an open system, where riverland and could only be used as a catchment area. The increasing population of the course recruitment to optimize land between infiltration area and residential land. Therefore, the government is requirement to be able meet the need residential land and drainage land. Therefore, drainage is made with a closed system.
Closed drainage is a drainage model that is made by modeling a water flow so that it in the ground so that the odor content in the channel doesn't smell out. Closed drainage has efficiency for the required plan because above it can be used for roads and other public facilities. For the example is roads and sidewalks. In addition, closed drainage can prevent people from throwing garbage in the river.